Hello. In this video, we'll explore how to embed a Trupeer video into Easygenerator. First, after selecting your video, simply click on the Share option. Next, you'll spot the Embed option. Click on it to copy the HTML code, and then head over to Easygenerator. Once there, choose the course you've created. After opening your course, click on the three dots menu. From here, you can tailor your course outlines according to your needs by exploring the Add section for various options. If you're looking to include content blocks, just click on it. To embed your HTML code, select the HTML embed option and drag and drop into place. We are now set to proceed with embedding the HTML code onto the designated page. Once everything is set, paste the copied code into the provided space, then click on HTML. Now, you should see that the Trupeer video has successfully been embedded in the Easygenerator page. This is how you can integrate a Trupeer video into Easygenerator. Thank you.